Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Well, today is the second and the final day of the Reading organ dismantling. So, that means we may have we may be able to finish early because we've done more than half the organ yesterday, thanks to my teacher's help and the maintenance department's help. And yeah, so today I'm on myself. Well, not on myself, sorry. I am by myself with the maintenance from our school and the maintenance from this other school, so we can lift some of the things into the vans that we need or what we don't need. And yeah, so here we go. Let's crack on with the day. Hey guys, so I'm now back in the loft and you can see the remnants of the organ together. Oh great, they've removed the electronic wires and done that. And now we just need to, organise which bits we're keeping and which bits we're throwing. So yeah, here we go. Hello guys, so now my mum has just left me to crack on with all of this. I'm just awaiting the maintenance department from the school to come along and help and just get things put away into the van, so I better crack on with this. Hello guys, so now we're taking a bit of a break, and yeah, the whole organ has gone, apart from the bits over there where some of it we're keeping, some are going, and the headmistress of the school kindly gave us some brownies to share, and yeah, while I was milling around here I thought I'd just look around, and I found these slips of paper behind the dehumidifier pipe up there, which dehumidifies the air coming from the blower. So I'll look through these and see what there is. So it's basically now lunchtime. I've had a sandwich and I'm going to have some crisps and stuff, and yeah, the caretaker just came to see all of this, and yeah, it's amazing, everything here. But yeah, it's a remarkable instrument, the organ. I'm not just saying that because I play it, but it's what other people said. It's remarkable how much work goes into building such a thing. Yeah, because most of you, I guess, just see pipe organs and think, oh, it's a pipe organ, wow. But you wouldn't believe how much work, like for instance, you have all this leather strapping around there, you have leather valves, like leather valves over here, and you have these really small leather valves which move up and down to let the air into the pipes, and yeah, and all this lead tubing which leads from different bits, and all these holes drilled by hand, and ivory keys all along here, and all these made all by hand too. And yeah, it's crazy how much work goes on, and it is only once you take apart an instrument or build an instrument you realise. So yeah, next time you see a pipe organ, think how much work has gone into it and to make it sound so good. Guys, where's the organ gone? Where's it gone?
Yeah, wait, you put the keyboard next to the look like the organ.
Yeah. Hey guys, so my mum has just arrived and I'm about to head off home now after clearing this all out, and the head mistress came and had a look, and yeah, she was amazed with how it's all cleared. So now I'm just about to head off, so I'll see you at home. Hey guys, how are you guys? So I got home a while ago and I had a shower, as you can probably tell because my hair's all over the place. But yeah, so yeah, we have now finally finished the Reading organ dismantling thing, and oh god, it really does take it out of you, dismantling an organ. Especially if you don't have as much people on it, if you know what I mean. Because today there was only, well, me for most of the day. Well, today there was just me for like 2 to 3 hours in the morning, mucking around trying to hammer some bits apart and, you know, get bits apart of the console. Because the electrician finally did sort of, you know, remove the cables. And then the maintenance from our school, the maintenance guys came along and helped, and yeah, we finally, you know, got that all done. And yeah, it would have helped to have my 2 best friends along with me, but unfortunately they were busy doing stuff, but oh well. Well, thank you very much to our school, to Kendrick's school, and also to all the people who made it possible. So that's the maintenance department of our school, the maintenance department of Kendrick's school, the headmistress of Kendrick's school, our head of music at our school, and and also the people who I had to sort of liaise with to get all of this to come to light, if you like. Yeah. Well, it's the end of the day for us now. It's about 5:10 or so, and I am now going to possibly just start editing this vlog and uploading it and getting it done, as tomorrow, summer 2015 vlogging starts. So I guess I shall see you guys tomorrow then in summer 2015 vlogs. And yeah, it's going to be an interesting trip this time. And yeah. Well, I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I shall see you tomorrow. Don't forget to live life to the max, treasure your friends, and also grab every opportunity you get. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye!